Welcome to DK's Follies. Today we have brought another exciting and new thing. Well, it is an old thing, but still new thing I found in my old stash. I once had a rifle, and I found its old bandolier. This bandolier contains 8 pockets, fits like a normal waist bandolier, and it straps like this, cross strap and this waist strap on behind, and then 8 pockets in front. And as you can see, these pockets are made with this cute little button, and this is a bandolier that can be used to hold the loading clips for old rifles, like let's say Mosin or an M1 Garand or an SMLE 303 or a Mauser 7mm or 8mm rifle, whatever. The rifle is like this. See, this is a loading clip for a Mosin rifle, and it just goes in like this. Same way, even an M1 Garand's clip can also fit in it. And actually what I had in it when I had the rifle, that was an M1 Garand. So it had 8 clips of M1 Garand's ammunition, and at present it has these clips for Mosin. So these can also be used for 303 SMLE loading clips, or if we can see the size, even if someone has something other like some small magazines, that can also be placed in it. So anyhow, let's close them. And the material is dual based. On the inside there is a canvas layer, and on the outside this camouflage type thing is basically the waterproof material. Very good, durable, long life material. And these strings you are seeing here, these are nylon. Even this I don't know what they call it. It is also made up of nylon ribbon. So this was an old memory, an old thing I got. And again, let's see. And I hope you have liked it. Thank you very much. Thank you for liking DK's Follies. Goodbye.